Drones aren't the future, they're the now. The FAA projects over 350,000 commercial drone pilot jobs will be in demand in the next few years, and the opportunity is wide open. Quantum Dynamics originated in 2016 under Timberland Helicopters, flying missions for energy companies, inspecting power lines, wind farms, solar fields, and supporting precision agriculture, search and rescue teams, research and development, and wildfire response across the western U.S. We're built on over 50 years of combined aviation experience between myself, Sean Holt, a former U.S. Navy craftmaster, and my co-founder, Mark Gibson, president of Timberland Helicopters. Since launching our Part 107 test prep workshop, we've trained over 1,500 students with a 99.9% first-time pass rate, focusing on servicing public safety teams, utility companies, veterans, and youth programs. We also provide hands-on flight instruction, field operation, and real-world mission experience. We recently launched our Quantum Dynamics Drone Academy online school community with step-by-step courses, live support, and our AI co-pilot to guide your journey. So whether you're starting from scratch and you want to go from zero to hero, or need expert flight services and a crew you can count on, Quantum Dynamics is here. If you're ready to future-proof your skill set or want access to pipeline of the best trained remote pilots in the industry, hit the link below, join our free private community, or book your training today, because great drone pilots aren't born, they're trained. Let's fly.